food. Where is she? I can't wait.
God, this is gonna be so yummy.
Stan, you said your mom was bringing Kentucky Fried Chicken home for dinner. Now, is she or isn't she?
Hi, boys.
Mom!
She's here.
She's got Colonel!
I want some.
Boy.
I
I want a breast. Some extra crispy, right? It's extra crispy?
Not so fast. You boys can help bring in the other groceries in the car, then have your chicken.
But Mom, we've been waiting for hours.
It won't take a minute.
Come on, guys. If we all help out, we can do it super fast.
All right, let's go. Oh my God, that smells good.
Okay, this is everything, Mom.
All right, let's eat Colonel.
Oh, boy! Cartman, you ate the skin off of every piece of chicken! Well, I saved you all the chicken part.